Good mornings to all. This is Amit Palkar, and I hope that you all are doing good. And so far, I have uploaded many different videos related to listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And yesterday, I have uploaded a special video based upon English grammar, that is conjunctions, which plays a very important role when it comes to grammatical range and accuracy in speaking as well as in writing. So I would highly suggest you to watch that video. Apart from that, in the grammar playlist there are many different grammatical grammar based videos, so you must watch those videos because these videos will help you to score high and improve your grammatical range and accuracy in your grammar section. So I would suggest you should must watch those videos. And today in this video I'm going to discuss the first 10 cue cards, so it would help you how to improve, how to develop your ideas if you are also being asked for the same question, same cue card topic in your final exam. And my students are generally getting the topics from these first 10 cue cards, so I hope that it would be a good help to you. So the very first is, describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school. So here you can either talk about any teacher or principal or any even your friend. So it would be easy because, and whenever it comes to a person, the talk becomes very easy because you can talk anything. For example, you can talk like although there were many different people, but I remember that there was one student named Mandeep. He was really very amazing. His intellectual abilities were very strong, and I remember that in our mathematics lecture, used to get a lot of appreciation from the teacher. So this is how you can talk. So I think that now you have three options. Firstly, you can talk about a friend, teacher, or any third person. Like you can even talk about your gardener or the sports teacher or anybody else. Okay, so this could be very easy. The next is, describe an item on which you spent more than expected, on which you spent more time than you expected. Okay, so here you can talk about, for example, that you were studying anything, and while while preparing your notes you spent a lot of time. Or you can talk about any broken piece of equipment, like it might be your mobile or any other gadget. So here you can talk about things like that. And moreover, you can talk about laptop as well. So you can say that I remember that last week when I was dusting, or when I was doing dusting in my room, then when I saw my laptop, I felt that it's very dusty, so I need to more like wash it. So then I took some gadgets from here and there, a brush as well. Then I started cleaning it, and I was not knowing that rearranging the keyboard buttons would be that difficult, but somehow I pulled it out. And when I was arranging it back, then it was really very difficult, and I spent, I think, 3 to 4 hours just to rearrange my keyboard buttons. And that was really very foolish thing because I am not technician, so I was not having good knowledge about that. So what, even I forget the sequence of the board. So then I took help from the Google and put the picture of the true keyboard in front of me. Then by watching the same, I was rearranging the keys of the keyboard. So this is how you can talk. Apart from, you can talk about any item which might have broken because of you or other family member, and you were just trying to repair that. Okay, so next is, describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. So here you can talk about, the very first thing is, which is really very true, that you play video games. Okay, and you can here talk about your Free Fire or PUBG or whatsoever, because I know that many of my students play that, and they generally say that ma'am, it really wastes their a lot of time. So I think that it is really good if you talk about video games. And apart from that, if you are a nature loving person, you can even talk that you forget about a time when you are in the lap of mother nature, and you start watering your plant, irrigation your plants. Okay, so here you can talk. Okay, or you can say that I have love for farming, and every evening I generally visit my fields, and whenever I go there, I forget the time, and I start talking to my crops and something like that. So this is how you can talk about this particular topic as well. Okay. The next is describe a skill that was difficult for you to learn. So here I would suggest you not to really pick a very difficult skill. Even you can talk about cooking, or you can talk about swimming, or it might be how to repair some electronic gadget, or how to be a good, how to be good with the cutlery things. So this is how you can talk about, and there are many different skill. Even you can talk about driving or speaking, public speaking. So there are many, so you can pick any of these, and I would suggest you that it would be good if you talk about cooking. Or you can say that you are thinking to learn how to prepare a tea even. Okay, it could be as easy as preparing a tea. So next is describe a time you moved to a new home or school. So here is that you have to pick one thing: new school or new home. So both could be like there just would be a replacement of words, otherwise things will be same. So you can say that after completing my matrix, my father got transferred, and then I had to change my school as well. And when I was there, and it is more like the same, you can talk about your first day at the school. So you can mix these two cue cards, and you can talk about anything. So for example, when you moved, where you moved, so you can say it was a big movement for me, because I was shifted to a big city from a village. So the experience was really very new to me, and people were different, their behavior was different, even environment was different. In villages, environment is generally pollution free, but when I went to Ludhiana, then it was really very polluted city. And I would say that not only air pressure but noise pollution is also at its peak. You cannot, even people cannot sleep before 11 p.m. at night. So that was really very hectic. So the adjustment was very struggling for me for the first month of my stay. So this is how you can talk. So the next is describe a time when you felt proud of a family member. So here you can talk about your sibling or your father or mother if they are working. So you can say that they got appreciation from the department if your parents are working. But if you have siblings and they really are very intelligent, then you can talk about their intelligence, their abilities, their the way they are getting achievement. Or even if your brother or sister is doing something amazing in the sports, so you can pick just one thing and try to explain firstly quality of the person, and then how he or she has done in the sports or department or academic in which the person is getting an appreciation. Okay, so next is describe a difficult thing you did. So here I think that it could be again as easy as cooking, or it could be a driving, learning how to drive a car. So this could be, you can talk about these two. And apart from that, you can say that there was a public presentation, or you can say PowerPoint presentation in my class, and teacher instructed us that the student who will give best PPT, the person will get a very attractive alluring award. So even there was, when the announcement of awards came, I was over the moon, because there was bicycle for the first winner. So I prepared that, and that was really very difficult when I started preparing how to do public speaking and how to speak in front of people. And my topic was really very difficult. It was related to carbon dioxide, and even though I felt very amazing because I learned a lot. So this is how you can develop your ideas. Okay, and the eighth one is describe a time you got up early in the morning. So here you can talk about any visit. For example, you might have a family trip or tour, or a one day visit when you have to wake up early in the morning. This could be the first suggestion. Secondly, there was those were exam days in which you were like more like it was your obligation to wake up early in the morning. So these two could be the best situations. Okay, going to a faraway place or exams. Okay, and the ninth is describe an art or craft activity that you had at school. So here you can talk about your drawing, that it is a fun lecture. The name of the lecture is fun. So it's really a fun activity, and you have to create different paintings with your imagination. So you can say that I remember that I draw forest with lot of trees. So as usual, I generally say that it's always best to talk about environment, because environment actually is a big blessing. Okay. And the last one is, describe a person who solved a problem in a smart way. So here I think that you can talk about your father, your mother, or your teacher, because these three person really have great super skills, and they can help you to solve your problem in a smart way as well as in the easiest way. So you can talk about that, and you can pick any problem, so that you will feel not you might feel difficulty to extend to develop your ideas. So if you start sharing a story, then it would be a good help to you. For example, you can say that you were struggling that whether you should attend a party or you should prepare for your weekly exam. So that was the time when your father jumped in, and he suggested you that I can actually do both the things, and that I can attend party for like 2 hours rather than being there for more than 5 hours. It would be best option if I will be there just for 2 hours, and by returning the same at home I can prepare for my exam as well, or my weekly test as well. So this is how. And even you could talk about that you were actually getting confused, you were in dilemma that whether you should focus on your studies or sports, because both play a very important role in your life. So you can choose any topic to talk about. Okay, so I hope that this video will help you to learn a lot, because I have discussed first 10 QCA topics, and it was like fast learning. And all the very best. Happy Diwali to all. Enjoy your days. Thank you. And please do not fire crackers, as I'm really an environment loving person, so I don't want you to pollute it. Okay, so thank you. All the very best. Enjoy.